Gane Gane Poland. Hey. So hi guys, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel Dreamers Blog. So guys, we are going to make reaction on Voice of Poland. Actually guys, first of all I want to tell you one thing more. Before I made reaction on many Polish song as your demand, but due to copyright issue my video blocked. That's why you need to understand, that's why my video late nowadays. So don't be angry at all. And courageous on something I made reaction. Courageous on a few days ago I made reaction on this video, then it's blocked. But now we are back with another Polish video. It's a Voice of Poland, but we need to read title. It's a Marcin Marcin Maciejak. Maciejak Kach. Note. I know you told me J is like a I or Y. Kai. It means Kai, right? Even in Serbia, people, it's like a Slavia hotel, but if we translate in India, it's like a Slavija, but it's a Slavia. So same like it's not a Kach, it's a K. K or Kai, right? Oh, I am very Italian now because of your comments, guys. Thank you so much for teach me. And okay, now let's make reaction on it's a Voice of Kids Poland 4 season 4. So now let's make reaction, guys. We will talk after. So guys, 1, 2, 3. Now let's play. Okay. Oh, nice. Marcin Maciejak. Oh, what a voice. Bravo. His voice is legendary. He even not, his voice not look like he is kid. Nice. Whoa. Wait in here. I like this slow-mo voice. No sticker. Snowball. Oh, oh, he looked like Indian one guy. Whoa, whoa. Oh, it's not look like it's a official live concert, but it like a music video because of his voice. He is really nice, guys. I just want to tell you, please support him. And when all people sing, oh, it's so catchy, right? And also this guy have something, if I try to say वो होती है ना आवाज ऐसे ha ha. We all sing from all singers sing from this area, this, but he sing oh God here. That's why I don't know how to tell you guys, because I'm not singer at all, but I know about singing skills or something like that. I tried to join singing class that time. If you try to sing same like him, it's very hard. Oh, God, it's very nice. Also, maybe he have awesome teacher, that's why he sing like that, or maybe he have self talent like a god gift, that's why. Please guys, support him, vote for him. That guy need to be win. So if you watch from Poland, from India, if you are Indian but living in Poland, so you need to vote for him, because we want he will win. Okay, thank you. And also guys, sometimes my English is not okay, so don't worry, just tell me in comment section you know. And also guys, you told me guys, if you need to learn Polish language, then you guys try to tell me and send me links of learning Polish language, but it's very hard actually. It's all about your interest. If you really interested to learn about any language, then you will learn easily guys. And also you guys, I know you send me once or thrice or thrice, but YouTube block your comment because it's like an issue in YouTube. So guys, please tell me more videos. And also I reacted your all videos, all your demand, but do it to copyright. It's only one bad thing in a reaction channel. Whenever we make a reaction, then it will be blog. I don't